In this tutorial, I will show how to save the location of a player in Godot. But first I will show the end result of this tutorial. If I press F5 and move the player to this blue platform, press on Escape to exit the game, and press on F5 again, my location is saved because I'm starting at the blue platform now. Okay, let's start. Right click on the world node and select Add Child Node. Search for Control and select Control. Right click on the Control node. Add another child node. Search for Label. Add the label. Click on Inspector from the label. Now type Player Location. Scroll down till you see Custom Fonts. Click on Custom Fonts. Click on the down arrow next to Empty. Select New Dynamic Font. Click on Font. I provided a download link to this font I use in the description, or you can download your own font. Drag the font on the empty. Now go to Settings. Change the size to 40. Now go back to the scene. Rename the label to Player Location. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the label. Now rename this label to LOC. Now go back to the inspector and rename it to 1, 2, 3. Now drag down the font. Put it in the middle. Now right click on the control node again. Add child node. Search for Timer. Add the timer to the control node. Let's now create the save system. Right click on Res. Click on New Folder and call it Scripts. Right click on Scripts. Select New Script. Call it Save System.gd. Click on Create. Now click Project. Project Settings. Now select Auto Load. Select the folder icon next to Path. Go to the scripts location and select Save System.gd. Double click and rename the node name to Save Game in capitals. Now click on Add and close. Now navigate to the scripts folder, open the scripts folder and double click on Save System script. Now use this code for the save system. Save. Press Ctrl S. Now add a script to the world node by clicking on this icon with the plus sign. Choose as location for the scripts folder. Double click the scripts folder and select Open. Now click on Create. Now use this code for the world script. Press Ctrl S to save the script. Now go back to the main world scene by clicking on World. Now select Timer. Click on Inspector. Set the waiting time to 3 seconds. Now select Node. Click on Timer Timeout to make sure the timer is connected to the timeout function here. Save the script again. Return to the main scene Click the world again and press F5. The script should be working now.